Hello everyone, this is a review for the 2016 Chevy Camaro 1SS manual transmission that we have in stock. It only has 36,000 miles on the dash. The stock number is 188409. My job is to give you the best buying experience, show you any flaws, any goods, bads that I see in the car as a buyer, and hopefully make your buying experience flawless. So first we're going to do a quick walk around on the vehicle. If there are any flaws that I see, my job is to point it out. I do have Linda from our team helping me out in the vehicle. She's gonna crank it up, make sure that everything is good. Okay, so far I do not see anything that I can point out other than it actually looks like a beautiful car. Great color. Here are the lights. Okay. We had some hood scoops. The wheels, the tires are in great condition. All right, Linda, if you can start it. Great. Okay, interior wise, everything is pretty flawless. It does have your SS logo right here. Rev match for paddle shifting. The center part of the screen is digital and the sides are analog. Upgraded touchscreen system. It does have your different modes right here. Super clean inside, no issues whatsoever. It has an aftermarket exhaust. Honestly, it sounds pretty badass. This is touchscreen, your Navi, I believe. It might have Android Auto, but I'm not sure about that. Yeah, overall, great space to be, great engine, great sound, and great performance. It is a beast on the road. If any questions come up, feel free to get on our website, call us on the phone. Our website is our website is www.exoticmotorsatlanta.com, and our phone number is 678-696-5032. Just an FYI, we do service all the cars as they come in, and if you end up buying a car from us, you don't even have to do an oil change because we already take care of it for you before delivery. Thank you so much.